Hi, my name is Anthony from Inkjet Lab. Today I'm going to walk you through how to correctly prepare your images for our metal mounts, crystal blocks and panels. To start with, I'll give you a quick explanation of what bleed is and why it's needed. Bleed is an extra area on each side of an image that is trimmed off during the mounting process. It allows for minor movement of the print during the mounting process and ensures that the finished mount is perfect after trimming. Without this extra bleed, it would be nearly impossible to mount a print accurately to a board that is the same size as the image size. The print always needs to be just a little bit bigger than the mount that's required. So how do we plan for this? Okay, let's say that I want to order this image as a metal mount that is 16 by 20 inches, and we ask for a 5mm bleed, or 0.2 inches, since I'm working in inches for this one. The key thing to remember when anyone talks about bleed is that it is an extra amount added to each side of the image. So you'll need to double that bleed amount and add it to the final image size. So that means for this particular piece, I will need a final image size of 16.4 by 20.4 inches at 300 ppi. To do this, what I'll do is choose the crop tool, make sure it's set to width by height by resolution. I'll input 16.4 by 20.4 and make sure that this is set to pixels per inch, not centimeters, and 300 for the resolution. And now when I apply this crop to the image, there'll be enough extra image for trimming. So now if we go to image size, you'll see it's got 16.4 by 20.4. If you prepare this size for your mounts regularly, you can save this size as a crop preset to save yourself a little bit of time in the future. Another option, if you already have a finished file, is to use our action to add the bleed. So it's as simple as choosing the action, dragging the bottom right corner down to cover up all of the white space that gets added, ensuring that you're happy with the positioning of the image, noting that some area will be cropped off due to the alteration in the aspect ratio, and then just clicking the tick up here or pressing enter to finalize the mount size. So it's as simple as that to get your image ready. If you're adding a logo, we recommend keeping these at least 1.5 centimeters away from the edge. If you download our actions, you'll find an add safe area guide. If you apply this, it gives you a quick visualization on where to place your logos, so they will always end up inside the edge of the print and will never be cropped off. Preparing blocks and panels is just as easy if you've downloaded the actions from our website. Simply select the size you want from the action tab and then adjust the crop tool, position it to where you need it, and then apply. And your image will be trimmed perfectly every time, as the crop tool will be pre-filled with the correct sizes, including bleed. And since blocks and panels are only available in specific sizes, it's always best to use our actions for these to ensure that you get the right size every time. And that's all there is to perfectly preparing your images for ordering. Thank you for watching.